Okay, welcome to another episode of Bluegrass Garage. We got a little something a little bit different for you today. We're talking about the 1969 Pontiac Firebird that we've been working on for a while. We've been doing a lot of metal work on it. Nothing spectacular or too show-worthy, but kind of wanted to show you some of the parts that we have gotten over the last few months and some that actually just came in just this last week. So let's turn the camera around, take a look.
So we've got this thing all stripped down, just kind of give you a quick update. New floor pans are installed, new inner and outer rockers installed, frame rails already installed, and there's a whole slew of other parts that we're going to look at that are going to be going on this car, on this show right here.
So as we were saying, here are all the new parts that will be going on this car. Let's start from the front here, just work our way to the back. We have the new front inner fender wells, the trunk pan, which is going on soon, or in soon. Of course, two new front fenders. Let's work our way through here. We have the tail panel, which is all one piece. We have two trunk drop-offs, which will also be going on soon. And of course, rear quarters, full quarters. And
but
these
Matt, what's in the box?
I was about to say, these are the new pieces that came in just last week. So I say we unbox these, show everybody what we got. All right, so let's start with the first box. Kind of see what this one is. It's a radiator support. So the one currently on the car wasn't terrible, but it had some rust holes in key places. It was almost just easier to replace the whole unit as opposed to trying to fix it. And the part really wasn't too expensive. So as you can see, we have a nice looking brand new radiator support.
That's beautiful.
That's going to look nice.
What's next? Let's see.
This is one I'm really excited about seeing. This should be a brand new trunk lid.
It's heavy like one.
Of course, packaged quite well, thank goodness. Don't cut your finger off.
Oh, very nice. Hey, you even got some pool noodles.
Always need pool noodles.
Look at that.
That's very well packaged.
Very nice, very nice.
We always get concerned about the outer body panels when they're shipped. They're going to come in with bad dings and dents. So minimal to zero body work other than basic sanding and such. So that's always nice. We'll see how it fits once we get to that point, but hopefully it fits well.
That looks good.
And last but not least is the dash panel. So let me show you what I'm talking about real quick here. So this piece is this panel right here, and we kind of questioned whether or not we should replace that. But once you get a little closer, we started knocking into these rust holes, and it just got worse and worse. And you can see on the corners. And right here, we'll still do some repair. But again, this part is so inexpensive that, yeah, there's some time involved in replacing it. But rather than try to repair these rust holes and who knows what else we might run into, we just figured, why not? We spent the money on everything else, might as well spend the money on this. So that looks great. Can't wait to see that in. So there you have it. That's all the new pieces we currently have in. When we get to the doors, we'll obviously strip them, see if there's any major repairs that need to be done. If it's nothing too major that we can't just fix and move on, that'll be fine. If we have to go and do some replacements there, we'll cover that when the time comes. The hood looks good, the top looks good, so fortunately we're good there. And just stay tuned as this project progresses.
And as always, ring the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and smash that like button.